Hey there, it's Mike Cooch with Services That Scale. In this video, I'm going to share with you the three major opportunities that HighLevel creates for digital agencies or anyone providing marketing services to the small business community. If this is the first time that you've come across me, again, my name is Mike Cooch. I run a business called Services That Scale, where I help train agencies, particularly those selling to the small business community, on how to build scalable sales and service delivery processes selling to those small businesses, which can be a real challenge. This is something that I've done working with other agencies now, thousands of agencies for over 10 years. And I'm not just a trainer though. I have also built myself multiple seven-figure service businesses selling to the small business community. My first business was in IT services, so selling technology management to small businesses where we would act as their IT department. And I grew that to be one of the fastest growing companies in America 3 years in a row, millions of dollars of revenue, offices across the country, and I was able to sell that business successfully. I then got into what I call the marketing services business versus the agency business, the marketing services business, where I was selling marketing services again to the small business community, and I grew that company even faster. So I have been a company builder, not just a trainer, but I take those experiences from building those businesses in my training for the agency community. And most importantly, I understand the challenges of selling to and servicing small businesses. It is very challenging. They're tight on budgets. They're oftentimes not very organized. They're understaffed. So it can make it very hard to sell them and do an effective job of providing services to them, which is why I am so excited about HighLevel. Okay, HighLevel is a platform that has been designed since day one specifically for helping you, the service provider, sell and deliver more profitable recurring revenue services. And they understand those challenges of being a service provider in that marketplace. And so the way that they've designed their software and also their licensing model and their financial model is designed specifically for you. You're not an afterthought like with many other software platforms where they have some sort of agency program where you can make some money by reselling them. That's not what HighLevel is about. It is built from the ground up to make you successful and to give you very high margin recurring revenue streams. So I'm thrilled about this platform, and I'm thrilled to share with you the three big opportunities that it creates for your agency. Okay, I'm over at the HighLevel website right now, as you can see. And on this page, you're going to find all kinds of details about what exactly the platform is and how it works. And you're also going to see here's a quote from me, where I say HighLevel's combination of integrated technology and agency-focused licensing has unleashed a world of profitable new service opportunities for agencies servicing the small business community. It is the must-have tool for agencies. So as you can see, I'm a very, very big fan. I'm a very big supporter of this company. And I have been a big supporter since the day I came across them a couple of years ago when they were still very early stage. And because of that, in full transparency, I am one of their biggest partners. I refer them a lot of business, but that is because I am incredibly well aware of the challenges in this industry that they help solve, and I don't think that anybody does it better. So you can review this page. You're going to learn a lot more about the platform and get a lot of details in here about all of the capabilities. And so you can review that at any time you'd like. Also, I have a page here that I've set up specifically, and I'll post the URL to it here down below, where I talk in more detail about why I recommend HighLevel and go into many of the specific reasons that I think that it's such a game-changing platform for you. Okay, now let's get into those three big opportunities that HighLevel creates for you as an agency. The first big opportunity is to use HighLevel to integrate and automate your own sales and marketing processes. I've worked with so many agencies over the years, and the far majority of them, honestly, don't have really effective sales and marketing processes set up for themselves. And I get it. It's one of those things where you're out taking care of clients all day, every day. It can be hard to spend the time on doing the things that you should be doing for your own business. But we want to be a good example in the marketplace for those businesses that we're selling to. We want to be able to show them the things that we're doing from a sales marketing perspective at our own business and how effective we are using these very tools and strategies that we're selling. So use HighLevel to create your own integrated and automated sales and marketing processes. There is no better platform to do it. And the reason why is HighLevel has taken all of those things that you need from a variety of different sales and marketing tools, and they've integrated them all into one platform. Okay, you can build and host your website. You can build your sales funnels. You can have your own call tracking numbers in there. You can track all of your analytics from your Facebook ads all the way into your sales funnels and what's generating revenue. You can do your calendaring. You can do reputation. You can do a live web chat on your website to make sure you're responding to people quickly. You have all of these capabilities that I've just listed there and many more integrated into one single platform at an incredibly low price. Okay, the entry-level price for HighLevel for you to use at your own agency is only $97 a month. If I look at all the different tools that I replaced with HighLevel, I'm saving myself hundreds of dollars a month just on that integration alone. So you want to use HighLevel at your own agency to demonstrate the capabilities of your strategies and of these tools so that when you're out selling to small businesses, you're doing it with total confidence and integrity that you are the example that they should be looking to. All right, one of the resources that I have available to you is what I call my Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp. And this is inside of the membership here of the Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp. And what this is all about is getting you up to speed on HighLevel as quickly as possible by having you build out your own agency sales funnel, sales process inside of HighLevel. And I take you in the Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp step by step through doing that and also provide to you a lot of the resources that you need to do that as quickly as possible, including a complete sales funnel process built on my R4 sales system. The R4 sales system is a proven strategic sales system that has been used by hundreds of agencies very successfully in the marketplace, and I've used it for now about 10 years. And I've built out the entire sales process in the Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp built on that R4 sales system. And I give you all of that as a member of the HighLevel community through me. You can see here that includes all of these automated workflows to make sure that your entire sales system is automated. It also includes your sales funnel and all of the pages of your sales funnel to bring somebody in on landing pages, get them booked on your calendar. Includes sending them a survey so that you can ask them some qualifying questions before you spend any time with them. And then also pages to display your packages and your pricing. Also include website templates for you so that you can launch your agency website very, very quickly. So all of this included in the Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp, because honestly, HighLevel has a learning curve. And I found that the best way to get through that learning curve is for you to set up your own sales and marketing process using HighLevel so that you understand what all is in there and how it works together. And the Agency Sales Funnel Bootcamp is designed to help you do that as efficiently and effectively as possible. Within just a handful of days, you can have your entire sales process up and running using this bootcamp and HighLevel. Okay, the second major opportunity that HighLevel creates for you as an agency is to deliver services through the HighLevel platform without necessarily featuring the HighLevel platform. Now, that's a mouthful there. Let me explain that. It's an important distinction to understand before we talk about opportunity number 3. Okay, you have an incredible set of tools in the HighLevel platform, and those tools can be used by your customers. But you may want to deliver services through the HighLevel platform that are not necessarily featuring the platform itself. So let me give you an example to bring this to reality here a little bit. You could build and host a website for your customers using the HighLevel platform. It's got a website builder, and website hosting that you build inside of this platform is included for free. So you can build a website, offer that hosting, charge the customer for the hosting, and have 100% margin on that service because it is free through the HighLevel platform. So that's an example of you are delivering the service through the HighLevel platform. You're using it to deliver that service, but you aren't necessarily featuring the platform. Hey, most small businesses don't really need to know or care about the hosting platform or log into the back end of WordPress or whatever other builder their website is built on, because most small businesses don't care to get into those technical details at all. That's why they hire a service provider like you. You can give them access to that through the HighLevel platform. You could give them access to the web builder, but you don't have to. You can deliver that service through the HighLevel platform and never have to really discuss or show HighLevel itself. You could do the same thing with various types of campaigns. I could run a birthday campaign offer for a restaurant where I'm using Facebook ads, targeting people on their birthday, promoting my customer, which is a restaurant, building an opt-in form that people would then opt into to get a coupon delivered to them that they could then take that coupon into the restaurant and use that coupon to get a discount for their birthday. I can set up and have that entire thing running, again, without my customer ever having to log into HighLevel to see anything about the mechanics of that campaign and how it's been created and how it's running. I can just deliver that purely as a service through the HighLevel platform. So the really important thing about that to understand is two things. One, at $297 a month, which is the price of the HighLevel Agency Unlimited plan, you can bring on as many customers as you'd like. So for $297 a month, you could have 10 customers that you're delivering services for, 50 customers, 100 customers, 200 customers, or more. And you're not having to pay more per customer. So remember at the beginning of this video when I told you that HighLevel's model is all about making you successful and making you money? It's a perfect example. You're not getting some small percentage of the revenue for each customer like you do with other platforms. You're getting to keep all of that revenue, and you're just paying HighLevel $297 a month, and that $297 a month supports as many customers as you're adding to the platform. So you can see how this can get very profitable very quickly. Let's say you're providing hosting for websites, and that's the only service you're offering to small businesses, and you're charging $97 a month. It only takes a few customers before you're paying off HighLevel, and everything else is 100% margin. So that's one very important consideration here. The second very important consideration, and I think that this is just as important, is that HighLevel allows you to deliver services to your customers through HighLevel using what are called snapshots. Okay, when I showed you my R4 sales system set up in a HighLevel previously, that was a snapshot. I'm showing you all those workflows and websites and funnel pages. I can deliver all of that to you as my customers of HighLevel just by loading that snapshot into your account. It just takes a few seconds. And now you will have all of those assets that I've created in your account. This makes service delivery incredibly efficient, which is so important. If you're going to be successful providing services to small businesses, you have to be very efficient and have a very tight cost structure. So HighLevel has designed it so that when you sign up those 10, 20, 50, 100 customers, and let's say again, you're doing birthday campaigns for them or websites for all of them, you can load the snapshots into their accounts and get them set up on those services so quickly and efficiently that your cost providing the services go way down and your profits go way up. Okay, so that's opportunity number 2, is providing services through HighLevel, but not necessarily featuring the HighLevel platform itself, which brings us to opportunity number 3. Okay, opportunity number 3 is one that has generated a ton of buzz in the industry, and that is offering your own software as a service, providing sales and marketing automation tools to small businesses using HighLevel as the backbone for your software as a service platform. Okay, so this is called SaaS mode in HighLevel, or it is their pro level account. It's $497 a month. For $497 a month, you essentially just got into the software business. And what I mean by that is that you can take the entire HighLevel platform and you can brand it as your own and offer it to as many small business customers as you'd like. And you can turn on and off the specific features of the platform so that you can design your own packages at various price tiers so that you're bringing your unique configuration of the platform into the marketplace, again, using your brand. So at $497 a month, you are in the software business with this incredible tool set to be able to offer in the marketplace, and you don't have to do any development or any hiring of those developers or support of those developers. You don't have to pay any of their benefits. You don't have to do any of those challenging things when it comes to developing a software business, because HighLevel is doing that for you. You get to put your name on it, your logo on it. You get to configure it exactly how you want to take it to the marketplace, but then it's all yours. And again, for $497 a month, you're getting to add as many new customers as you want. So let's say you're charging them $297 a month for access to your platform. At $297 a month, you only need 2 customers before you're covering the entire cost of the platform, and everything above that is gravy. So it is a very, very compelling offer just on the software alone. But again, you're still able to deliver services through the platform as well. Now you own that platform though, from a brand perspective and features perspective, so that your customers are really hooked into you, paying you every month for software that they're using. And of course, once they're up and running on your software and they've got their customer data in there, and they've got their marketing campaigns in there, it's very hard for them to go away, which creates really nice, very profitable long-term recurring revenue for you. With this SaaS plan, you can also mark up and resell services like Twilio and email so that you are delivering SMS and email through the platform and you're profiting from those as well. It's an incredible opportunity. Again, it's called SaaS mode with HighLevel, or it's their pro account at $497 a month. This is a total game changer in the industry, and you can see why it's generating so much excitement. Again, it's different than opportunity number 2, where you're delivering services through the platform but not necessarily featuring the platform. With opportunity number 3 here, you're literally giving small businesses the ability to log into the platform themselves and use the platform similar to the way that you'll use HighLevel at your own agency. It's an incredible opportunity and drives a ton of profitable recurring revenue for you. Okay, so those are the 3 big opportunities that HighLevel creates for you, the agency or the marketing services provider. As you can see, it's an incredibly exciting platform that unlocks so much potential that's in this industry that has been hard to really tap into until now. Okay, until now, the agency industry has largely been about delivering services that are based in time and talent, where you're doing custom services and projects and things like that for customers that are really not scalable, ultimately not very profitable at all, and leave you really burning the candle at both ends. That is the story of the far majority of agencies that are selling to small businesses. But that story now gets to change, because HighLevel is giving you the ability to deliver very scalable, very efficient and profitable services, as well as putting you into the software business so that you can sell these tools and have people paying month after month for a subscription to this tool set that you know provides so much capability and has so much power to help them. It's an incredible opportunity that obviously I'm very excited about. I would love to help you with it as well. As you can see earlier in this video, I provide a lot of different training and resources to help small business agencies take advantage of the HighLevel platform to design and deliver and sell services around this platform and I'd love to work with you as well. Okay, I'll put a link to some resources here down below here in this video. And if you have any questions or comments, please make sure and leave them below here in this video. I'd love to hear from you, and I answer all of the questions myself. And of course, please, if you found this video helpful, please be sure and like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with somebody that you think would get some value out of it. Okay, thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on a future video.